Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Are you looking to make a name for yourself in the crowded world of YouTube? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to ANKSO's Top Secrets, How to Stand Out in a Crowded YouTube Space. In this video, we will break down the code and reveal insider tips and tricks to help you dominate YouTube like a pro. So, let's get started. Firstly, it's all about finding your niche. Discover what sets you apart from the rest and showcase your unique personality and expertise. This will attract a loyal audience who resonate with your content. Next tip, optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions. By using relevant keywords, you increase your chances of being discovered by the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to create eye-catching thumbnails too, they're the gateway to your video. Now, let's talk about consistency. It's vital to stay consistent with your content schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to it. This builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Engagement is key to growing your channel. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage your viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Building a community is the ultimate goal. Collaborations can be a game changer. Team up with fellow YouTubers in your niche. This not only exposes you to their audience but also brings exciting and fresh perspectives to your content. Remember to leverage social media platforms to promote your videos. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, and engage with your followers. Expand your reach beyond YouTube. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Stay true to your passion, keep improving, and you'll see the results.